Okay, this is a quick little follow-up to the replacement antenna for the Dux Astroman. I put a video up recently in one of our normal commenters. Who was it down here? Jay. Right there. He noticed that I had on my reproduction one left out that little piece there and that little piece there. This is the original antenna here in the original color. And I don't know why I forgot to put those in there. So I went back and I changed the files and added those parts, as you can see on these two that I just printed out, and have updated the files on Thingiverse. Sometimes Thingiverse can take up to a week to show updates. Sometimes they do it overnight. But they should be there eventually because I deleted the original file and put in the proper one with that. Now this one is printed in this translucent red, as you can see here, transparent red PETG, and it's not quite a deep enough red to look like the original antenna, and when you're printing a part this thin it gets even kind of lighter in appearance. So this is the same as this, except I hit it with some red, transparent red spray, and it made it too dark. So kind of neat in between there. I guess if you're going to buy a translucent red or transparent red, you just want to get the darkest one you can find, and this wasn't quite dark enough. And also, if you can get it in PLA, I'd say go PLA instead of PETG, because PLA is so much easier to print without stringing and other hassles. But here they are, showing the missing parts have been added. So everything should be good to go. I'll put a link to this video down below as well.